Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we will be making the best, most simple and delicious stuffed potatoes. Guys, you must try this one. So the first thing what we will do is wash 2 potatoes, then we will drizzle with some oil right over the top and sprinkle some salt. We will fold this and bake this in our oven until it is nice and tender. Or you can actually microwave that, guys, with a damp paper towel until it is tender. So mine is actually nice and tender. So I'll go ahead. It must be like fork tender. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the top off. Guys, that is piping hot. Just like that. Then our next step is to scoop the inside of the potato out into a nice clean bowl, just like that. That is so hot, guys. I thought I was Superwoman, so I had to go grab a towel. Yes, thanks for noticing. And we will scoop the inside out there in the bowl. So the top part of the potato, we will not discard of that. We'll go ahead and scoop that and we will reuse that. Take the top of the potatoes and put it back in the bottom of the little bowl we would have created. So that will give the illusion of the height of the potatoes, or give it more height, I should say. All right, we stuff it just like that. Yep. So here I just added some cream cheese, and this is garlic herb cream cheese, some green onions. All right, so I added my butter. I'm using salted butter, some chives, and green onions. We'll go ahead and mix that in while the potatoes are still nice and hot. And I did add, guys, some sharp cheddar cheese, and I did use the white cheddar cheese. I did go in here with 1 egg yolk and a little bit of black pepper. The measurement, guys, for these ingredients, all the ingredients I would have used, will also be in the description box. Right, we make sure to mix everything really nice. You see, guys, it's light and fluffy. Here I go in with a little bit more black pepper and some cayenne pepper, just a sprinkle. Continue to mix. It is creamy and fluffy and light and super tasty. So I did go in with the cheddar cheese. I add that first in the bottom of the potato, and then I'll go in with the filling. Guys, please make this one. It is so simple and so delicious. Just like that. We'll do that for both. Then we'll use a fork and just mess the top up just a little bit. All right, a little rustic look on the top. Then I did melt some butter, garlic, and I did add some parsley. Mix that up, and then we will brush that right over the top of the potatoes. I did also sprinkle a little bit of white cheddar cheese and dust with a little bit of cayenne, or you can use smoked paprika. Bake until nice and golden at 400. And guys, OMG, you just have to make this and try this one, okay? Thank you all for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next one. Bye.